Bitcoin is on the verge of something huge. Experts are warning, and if you miss this moment, it could cost you thousands, literally. Stay tuned because what's about to happen could shock everyone in the crypto world. Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name. Today we're diving deep into Bitcoin, why it's about to make a move that could surprise the world, and what that means for you as an investor. Whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned trader, this video will give you insights you can't afford to miss. Let's start with the current market. Bitcoin has been showing unusual activity. Price fluctuations, volume surges, and whale movements, all signs that something big is coming. Historically, when these patterns emerge, the market reacts fast, and early movers often see huge gains. So, what could trigger this shock? There are a few major factors. 1. Institutional adoption, big banks and companies buying Bitcoin. 2. Regulatory changes. Positive news could skyrocket prices. And 3. Technical patterns. Bitcoin is forming a classic setup that often precedes massive moves. Let's break each of these down. Analysts from top firms are predicting that Bitcoin could see unprecedented movement. Some say it could hit new all-time highs within months. Others warn of a temporary correction before the main surge. The key takeaway? Preparation is essential. This isn't just speculation. Patterns and numbers back it up. Now, why does this matter to you? If you hold Bitcoin, this could affect your portfolio dramatically. If you're considering entering, timing could be critical. And even if you're just curious, understanding these movements will give you a huge advantage over most casual investors. What can you do to be ready? Here are 3 strategies. 1. Keep an eye on volume and price spikes. 2. Stay updated with crypto news and announcements. And 3. Don't panic sell or FOMO buy. Stick to your plan. Remember, the biggest gains often come to those who stay informed and patient. Let's recap. Bitcoin is showing signals that something big is about to happen. Institutional moves, regulatory changes, and technical patterns suggest a potential shock in the market. Your job is to stay informed, be strategic, and don't miss the opportunity. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit subscribe and turn on notifications. We break down crypto news faster than anyone else. Share your thoughts in the comments. Do you think Bitcoin will shock the market, or is it just hype? Let's discuss.